How to fix message not delivered Gmail problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and check if you have an updated version of the Gmail application. So let's tap on the search bar and search for Gmail over here. Now as a search for Gmail, here you can see we have no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of Gmail application. So let's launch the settings application of the device over here. As you launch the settings application, simply scroll down and you'll be able to see the option of apps. So tap on it and select on manage apps over here. As you tap on manage apps, you can see the options of the apps over here that you have installed, but we want to tap on the search bar and you can now just simply search for Gmail over here. So let's search for Gmail and it might take few seconds until the app pops up. So let's tap on the app as it pops up, and here you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it and select on the clear cache option and then tap on OK. Now you can relaunch the Gmail application and this might definitely help you out. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.